Hello, I'm Tom. Welcome to the Upavon YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be talking about how to shape booby eyes. So there's already a video on our YouTube channel using the Upavon Foam Gunville cutters. These come in pack 8 down to 3mm with all the sizes in between. So I'm not going to show you how to use those. What I'll do, if you're interested in looking at the video on the cutters, I'll tag it in the description below. But what I am going to talk about is shaping booby eyes. So just got myself a cylinder. So this is 6mm foam cylinder cut out of our yellow HD blocks. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a multi-tool. Now this is one I picked up from Screwfix. I've had Dremel ones in the past, but this one does the job. Now the key bit here is the bit that you've got in the end. So this is, as you can see there, it's a slight concave bit. I think on the Dremel website they call it the 932, but when I got my multi-tool from Screwfix, it came with one of these bits in the box. I just popped it in. Now the idea is that you've got this concave sort of centre and you offer your foam cylinder into it, holding it at a 45-degree angle, turning it as you go, and it takes it from being sort of that flat shape there and makes it sort of like a little pill. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this. This one on the speed settings goes from 1 to 6. Basically you want it relatively fast, so I'm going to set it on number 4. The reason for the higher speed is the quicker you go, the smoother it leaves the foam cylinder. If you run it slowly, it does it same job, but it leaves little burrs and little edges on the foam. So apologies for the noise. So I'll do one, I'll trim it, and then I'll do the other side. So we'll start it up. So you can see there is I've just taken it from the flat side and made it like that. So this is also good if you're going to tie sort of suspenders. Makes it not spin as much, a little more aerodynamic. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this cylinder in half, and then I'm going to do the same with this side. Just got to be a little bit careful with your nail as when you've trimmed it, because you will. It doesn't hurt, but you can just catch your nail. And there we go. That's it. Spun up. I'll just zoom the camera in. Into that little pill shape that you can see there. This means that when you tie it in, you'll get some nice round shaped booby eyes. So what I'll do, I'll just pop the hook into the vise, catch on some thread, and I'll just tie on these booby eyes. So to come in, split them in the middle, nice and tight, turn them over, and then just come on, and then all we're looking to do is just figure of 8 the thread between the eyes, nice and tight, just making sure that they're secure, and then you're left with some nice rounded booby eyes. I'll just come in the front, pop a whip finish in, and that's what you're left with. Nice round booby eyes. That means that they're not going to spin. not going to spin the fly. Uncut booby eyes are not as aerodynamic. Catch the wind when you're casting, and when you're retrieving they really spin up. So aerodynamic, and at the end of the day, fly tying is an aesthetically pleasing business, and they look better with the eyes nicely rounded off like that. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel and I'm enjoying this video and other videos we've got, please subscribe. If you've liked this one, please like it, and we'll see you in the next video.